Welcome to the Grammar Mentor. In this video, we'll cover all the basics of English grammar. From parts of speech to tenses, sentence structure, and common mistakes, everything you need to start speaking and writing correctly. Let's get started. 1. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Let's go through them quickly. Noun, names a person, place, or thing. Example, teacher, India, book. Pronoun, replaces a noun. Example, he, she, it. Verb, shows action or state. Example, run, eat, is. Adjective, describes a noun. Example, beautiful, tall, fast. Adverb, describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example, quickly, very, slowly. Preposition, shows relationship in time or space. Example, on, in, under. Conjunction, connects words or sentences. Example, and, but, because. Interjection, expresses strong emotion. Example, wow, oh. 2. Tenses. Tenses show the time of an action. There are 3 main tenses, and each has 4 types. Present tense. Simple, I eat. Continuous, I am eating. Perfect, I have eaten. Perfect continuous, I have been eating. Past tense. Simple, I ate. Continuous, I was eating. Perfect, I had eaten. Perfect continuous, I had been eating. Future tense. Simple, I will eat. Continuous, I will be eating. Perfect, I will have eaten. Perfect continuous, I will have been eating. 3. Sentence structure. A sentence has a subject plus verb plus object structure. Example, she, subject, is reading, verb, a book, object. There are 4 sentence types. Declarative, statement, I like coffee. Interrogative, question, do you like coffee? Imperative, command, please sit down. Exclamatory, emotion, what a beautiful day. 4. Active and passive voice. In active voice, the subject does the action. In passive voice, the action is done to the subject. Active, the chef cooked the meal. Passive, the meal was cooked by the chef. 5. Modal verbs. Modal verbs show ability, possibility, permission, or necessity. Common modals. Can, ability, she can swim. Should, advice, you should study. Must, necessity, you must wear a helmet. Could, would, may, might, polite or possible actions. 6. Question words. Use question words to ask for specific information. Who, person, what, thing, where, place, when, time, why, reason, how, method. Example, what is your name? 7. Subject-verb agreement. The verb must agree with the subject in number and person. He eats. Singular, they eat. Plural, she doesn't like tea. We don't like tea. 8. Articles. Articles are a, an, and the. A before consonant sound, a dog. An before vowel sound, an apple. The for something specific, the sun. 9. Common grammar mistakes. Let's fix some common mistakes. Cross mark she go to school. Check mark she goes to school. Cross mark I didn't knew that. Check mark I didn't know that. Cross mark it's raining outside. Check mark it's raining outside. Conclusion. And that's your English grammar crash course in just 10 minutes. Master these basics, and you're already ahead. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Grammar Mentor. Comment below which topic you want in detail next.